Welcome to our kitchen. Today we are diving into the secret of making the perfect fluffy and moist desiccated coconut cake. Are you tired of dense and dry cake? Well, we are diving into the tips and tricks you need to take your coconut cake to the next level, which you can try with other cake flavors like chocolate cake and so on. So sit back, relax, and let's get baking. It is. Watch till the end for the full recipe and so as not to miss out on any tips and tricks. First, let us prepare the cake pan. We will rub in some oil and we'll go in with some all-purpose flour. This will prevent the batter from sticking to the pan. And we are also going to line our baking pan with some baking sheet. To start, we are going to gather some of the dry ingredients: flour, all-purpose flour, nutmeg, baking powder, and of course, desiccated coconut. We will be making use of desiccated coconut and desiccated coconut flakes. You can check out our video on how to make both desiccated coconut and desiccated coconut flakes. The link will be in the description box below. So you can say no to store-based desiccated coconut and start making yours. And of course, butter, in which we are going to melt later. 3 eggs. You can get a permanent access to our recipe cookbook and other ebooks on how to make easy recipes from your hair, your skin, food, baking, drinks, and so on. Check out the description box below to see how you can access them. And now we will go in with the melted butter. This is like our oil-based coconut cake, which will give us that fluffy and moist cake. And then evaporated milk, in which we have already dissolved the preservative. Next is the coconut flavor and the vanilla flavor. Next is granulated sugar. Join our online training and community today for those who want to spice up or advance their cooking, baking, or recipes, healthy living game. Also check out the description box below on how you can get access now. Now we will be going in with the star ingredients: desiccated coconut shred and the desiccated coconut flakes. This can be used for different purposes, so watch that video on how to make desiccated coconut. Once again, the link is in the description box below. Then you're going to find different ways, different purposes you can use your desiccated coconut for and its benefits. Next is the dry ingredients we have already combined. Now, pour the batter into a prepared cake pan and pop it into a preheated oven. The aroma that fills your kitchen will be absolutely heavenly. Once the cake is golden brown and the toothpick comes out clean, then let it cool. The result will be a moist, fluffy, coconut infused delight. Don't forget to top it off with a light frosting or a sprinkle of coconut for that extra touch. This cake is perfect for any occasion. You can follow us on our displayed social media handles and let us become friends and advance together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share your thoughts in the comment box, share for more delicious treats. Happy baking. See you in our next video.